kwento ng kasaysayan ay ang babaylan. Pag nagtsan ng babaylan, nagkakaisa yung tao. Nabirealize sila, iisa lang yung kanilang pinagmulan at iisa lang yung kanilang pamumulan. History will not change the country. But if you are changed by history, if kung natuto ka ng pakikipagkapwa dahil sa sakripisyo ng ating mga bayani, that is a big step already in making the world a better place.
Bibigay ng naratibo sa iyong kwento ay ang daigdig. Dahil yung daigdig, dahil yung panahon ay aking naisulat sa pamamagitan ng isang tula. Ang aking akda ay magiging kasaysayan ng isang panahon at ng isang espasyo, ng isang karakter na minsang nagmahal at natulog na lang. Magandang hapon sa inyo lahat.
The gentle April rain that stained the window panes last night is all but gone, but lingers on in scented clouds of air. We watch the town awaken to the trembling morning lights. You're so near and spring is everywhere. We danced until the stars came out and spread across the sky. The wee small hours of morning all went by and day is here. We won't give up our dancing, and across the floor we fly. When you are near, spring is in the air. I hold you so close, I think you must hear my heart tingle. We're hand in hand, cheek to cheek, and floating